Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalimullah and I had done major in sociology. Being a researcher, it's my hobby to explore challenging tasks and challenging topics. But since a couple of years, I had been faced by a genuine problem of the question that what is the purpose of my life and why I had been born here, or why I had been sent here. The only things which comes to our mind that is uh, we are not here to my understanding we are not born here to what I am doing. I am not born here for that what I am doing. Rather, I had been sent here, I had been born here for a divine mission and for a divine purpose. And to me, that divine mission and that divine purpose of my life is to explore peace, that is the peace building, to resolve conflict, that is the conflict resolutions, and to fight against the social evils of the society, that is the reconstruction of society. I have a vision for this three things, that is the to fight against them, to eliminate them from this society. There are those three things, or the narcissism, psychopathy, and the concept of Machiavellianism. मैं अमन के लिए एक इनकलाबी जंग लड़ना चाहता हूँ। मैं लोगों को बता दूँ कि हमारे माशरे में मैकावेलिनिज़म क्या है, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मैकावेलिनिज़म क्या है। मैं लोगों को बता दूँ कि हमारे माशरे में द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ नार्सिसिज्म क्या है। मैं लोगों को बता दूँ कि हमारे माशरे में द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ साइकोपैथी और द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशियोपैथी क्या है। मैं लड़ना चाहता हूँ अमन के लिए, मैं लड़ना चाहता हूँ हर ज़ालिम के ख़िलाफ़, मैं लड़ना चाहता हूँ मज़हब के नाम पर फ़िरक़ावारियत के ख़िलाफ़, मज़हब के नाम पर रिलीजियस मैनिपुलेशन के ख़िलाफ़, मज़हब के नाम पर सेग्रीगेशन के ख़िलाफ़। मैं लड़ना चाहता हूँ ज़िना को कल्चर का हिस्सा बनाने के खिलाफ। मैं लड़ना चाहता हूँ फेमिनिज़म के नाम पर प्रोस्टिट्यूशन के ख़िलाफ़। मैं लड़ना चाहता हूँ हसद, कीना, बुग़्ज़ और नफ़रत के ख़िलाफ़। बिकॉज़ वी आर नॉट born here to hate each other. We are not born here to kill each other. We are not born here to disrespect each other. We are not born here to exploit each other. We are not born here to use each other in exploitative way. We are not born here for these things. Sorry to say, in this digital era and is the age of technology, we are the good human beings with the worst kind of humanity. We are not sent here for those things. Rather, we had been sent here to love each other. We have been sent here to help each other. We had been sent here to respect each other. We had been sent here to accept each other. We had been sent here to live each other. We had been sent here to support each other. To me, doing these things will grow our inner self, will explore our inner peace. It will also explore the outer peace of society as well. It will help us in the process of self-purification. In this digital era, social media or digital media is one of the most powerful tool to explore things and to do something in this society, because it is accessible to each and everyone, irrespective of a gender, irrespective of age, and irrespective of their literacy or illiteracy. I welcome each and everyone in this divine mission and this non-stop mission. I welcome each and everyone to join us. I will be very thankful to those people who support me, who will assist me in this doing this great job just for the sake of humanity and just for the sake of this society and just for the sake of our inner peace and our inner self. In last, I hope you people will support me, you people will guide me in the right direction, you people will help me in each and every ups and down in this whole process. I'm against the three major concept existing in our society, that is the narcissism, that is the psychopathy or sociopathy, and that is the concept of Machiavellianism. And I already know that who will oppose me, who will be against me, and who will be able to support me in this whole process and in this whole mission. And inshallah, till death, this process will be continue in the form of online sessions, in the form of physical seminars to a possible extent. This is a non-stoppable process. I since a couple of years I was thinking about this uh, to lay the foundation of this platform, but due to my personal reasons and some financial constraints, I couldn't make this possible. But Alhamdulillah, I am in a stage that I my dream and my mission come true in the form of this video in which I'm going to express my inner views and to express my inner sentiments with you people. Thank you so much for your time and wish you all the best and see you soon. And please subscribe to the Khadi community. And this is the platform where I would like to upload the upcoming sessions regarding peace building, conflict resolutions, and the reconstruction of this society.